part of your investigation, did you review the emails that were subject to Wendi Adelson's Google search warrant?
Yes.
And in those emails, was there an email in which the contents of, well, let me ask you first about the motion. Did you review a motion where Dan Markel was seeking to restrict Donna Adelson's access to the children?
Yes, I did.
All right. And that motion was filed with the court?
Yes.
It was pending at the time of his death?
Yes.
And did you find in the emails any evidence that the contents of that motion were sent to Donna Adelson?
Yes.
And is that tab AA of State's Exhibit 64?
Yes.
And are the contents of that email substantially similar to the allegations made in the court filing?
Substantially, yes.
Okay. And what is the gist of what it is that Dan Markel is requesting?
He does not want Donna Adelson to have unsupervised contact with his children.
Why not?
Because of the statements that are made in here, and that was shown in the court filing, that the children reflected that Grandma says you're stupid, Grandma says she hates you.
And
Judge, Isom, please do not read from any document that has not been admitted.
at this time, Judge, I would ask to admit State's Exhibit 64.
All parts or just the part that does not include AA?
Subject to tying up AA, I would seek to admit the whole thing.
States 64, any objection?
Just the objection previously made, Your Honor.
Concerning States 64, it will be admitted except for Part AA and any later foundation that needs to be addressed.
Did, in your review of these emails contained in State's Exhibit 64, the defendant, Donna Adelson, use any strong language against Dan Markel?
Yes.
Did she call him any names?
Yes.
I would ask you to review State's Exhibit 64, tab DD. Do you recognize that exhibit?
Yes.
What email is that?
This is from Donna to Wendi.
And does she call Dan any names in that email?
She calls him Elvis.
Tab M, please.
Emma?
M as in Mike.
Emma.
Did she, who, I guess tell us who it's to, who it's from, and the date, please.
It's from Donna to Wendi, March 6th, 2013.
Does she call Dan Markel any names in that email?
Yes, she does.
What names does she call him?
In this
Name.
particular email, after the first paragraph, Yes,
Does that email, is it from Donna to Wendi?
it is.
And does it reference Wendy's relocation efforts?
Yes,
Does it indicate that Wendy's relocation efforts are extremely important to Donna Adelson?
yes,
Please reference tab V as in Victor, a June 25th email. Are you familiar with the court filing in which relocation was denied?
yes,
Do you know on which date relocation was denied?
June 20th, 2013.
So this is email on tab V as in Victor. Is it 5 days after relocation was denied?
It is June 26th, 2013.
Does Donna Adelson, the defendant, propose another plan to facilitate relocation in light of the court's ruling?
Yes,
So this is done after the court's ruling,
correct.
and relocation is still being discussed.
Yes.
Okay, what does she suggest?
She suggests that the children between Wendi and Dan start attending, or her at least the ruse of them going to a Christian church or a Catholic church.
And to take pictures of it and send it to Dan Markel, right?
Yes,
To strong arm him into agreeing to the relocation, right?
correct. Coercion.
Did Donna Adelson, the defendant in this case, suggest a bribe to Dan Markel to cause him to allow these kids to be moved to South Florida?
Yes,
Draw your attention to tab W. What is the proposal in reference to this bribe?
$1 million.
$1 million.
Yes.
Okay? Were there any death benefits, any monies that were to be gained from the death of Dan Markel?
Yes,
Did he have a life insurance policy?
he did.
What was the amount of the life insurance policy?
One of them was for $2 million.
And a second one for $60,000?
$60,000 from the second one through the law school.
Were there any survivor benefits for these kids in the event of Dan's death?
There was
What are those?
$4,800 a month.
Who gets that money for the disbursement of the kids?
Wendi Adelson.
What about through his employment at FSU Law School? Did he have a pension there?
Got a pension, a deferred comp, 401k,
And an estate worth some money, right?
yeah, approximately $300,000.
What was the total value of Mr. Markel's estate?
$2.7 million.
As part of your investigation, did you attempt to establish a timeline of the victim's activities prior to his murder?
Yes.
What did he do that day?
At 8:50 a.m., he dropped off his children at the preschool daycare on West Tharp Street. From there, he proceeded to go back across town to Premier Fitness Gym off of Village Square Boulevard.
Was there any surveillance at the gym?
Yes,
And was that collected by law enforcement?
it was.
All right. Let me see that. Judge, at this time, I'd ask to move into evidence, State's Exhibit 119, a thumb drive containing the surveillance collected from Premier Gym.
Any objection? There you are. States 119 is admitted.
And was the raw data or surveillance video collected from the gym compiled in a way that shows what it is we're looking for concerning Mr. Markel?
That's correct, yes.
Was that done in State's Exhibit 89?
I believe so.
All right, Judge, at this time, I'd ask to move into evidence States 89.
Any objection? There you are. States 89 is admitted.
Were you able to see on this gym surveillance video Mr. Markel's vehicle enter the parking lot of the gym?
Yes.
At what time does he enter the parking lot of the gym?
I believe it.
All right, we'll have more testimony after the break, but we are getting word from our own Julia Janae, who is there on the ground at the courthouse. She says Wendi Adelson, Donna's daughter, is in the hallway with someone who appears to be her attorney, waiting to be called as a witness. Now, we could possibly see her take the stand today. Stay with us. We'll be right back.